Hey everyone, Halloween is coming, so let me show you how you can easily create spooky Halloween videos just like these. We're here in Filmora, and if you don't have Filmora yet, download it today using the link in the description. Make sure your Filmora is up to date, because this Halloween they've added a bunch of awesome new features. Let's start by turning a simple image into a Halloween special. Go to Stock Media, then head to AI Media and open Image to Video. Here you can upload your image, type in a Halloween-style prompt, and Filmora will instantly create a spooky AI video for you. You can also use templates. There are tons of new Halloween-themed templates to choose from. Just select one, add your image, customize it if you want, and hit Submit. Then click Generate. Just like this feature, you can also create a fully custom AI video using text. For that, go to Text to Video. First, select your mode, either normal or Google VO mode. Then, write your prompt here. You can enhance it by clicking the Generate with AI button, and Filmora will automatically create a perfect script for your video. You can also add a negative prompt, basically things you don't want in your video. Once that's done, set your resolution, aspect ratio, and duration. Then hit Generate, and within a few seconds, your AI video will be ready. Here are a few videos I created using the same method. Let's drag and drop them onto the timeline. Now, let's add some background music. Go to Audio, open Universal Music, and check out the Halloween category. You'll find lots of spooky new tracks. Let's use one of them. Next, go to Titles, open Templates, and you'll find a Halloween section there too, with special title templates for your videos. Once your clips are arranged, head to Transitions, and apply these transitions between clips for smooth, spooky cuts. You can also go to Effects, where you'll find tons of effects you can simply drag and drop onto your video. To color grade your footage, go to Filters, and you'll see several themed LUTs perfect for creating that Halloween look. Finally, check out Stickers, where you'll find PNG and GIF-style stickers you can use as lower thirds or fun overlays. After adding all these elements, here's the final result. And that's it for today's video. Download Filmora using the link in the description and start creating your own Halloween edits. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.